So is your dream home built on a nightmare foundation? Ignoring your crawl space could lead to serious problems, especially wood rot. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of wood rot, teach you how to spot it, and show you how to protect your home. Wood rot thrives in damp, dark environments. So here are the main culprits that create the perfect breeding ground for this destructive force. Moisture buildup. Leaky pipes, poor drainage, and even humidity can create excessive moisture in your crawl space and develop fungi that destroys your wood. Poor ventilation. Without proper airflow, moisture gets trapped, creating a humid environment perfect for wood rot to flourish. Unsealed crawl spaces. An open dirt floor allows moisture to evaporate directly into the crawl space, leading to dampness and problems with your floor joists. Understanding these causes empowers you to act and prevent future damage. When it comes to wood rot, early detection is key. Here are the early signs you should never ignore. A persistent musty smell in your crawl space or even seeping into your living area is a strong indicator of moisture problems and potential wood rot. Visible decay, crumbling, soft wood, discolored patches, or fungal growth on wood beams and joists are a clear sign of wood rot. Sagging or uneven floors. If your floors feel bouncy or uneven, it's often a warning that supporting beams are weak and cannot support the weight properly. Regular crawl space inspections can help you catch these signs early and avoid costly repairs down the line. Crawl space encapsulation is the best way to prevent wood rot. A full encapsulation involves installing a drainage system and sump pump to redirect the groundwater away from the home, sealing vents and other openings to stop outside air and moisture from entering the crawl space. Installing a heavy-duty vapor barrier will prevent the moisture from the ground from evaporating into your crawl space, and adding a dehumidifier to control the humidity levels in the air and keep the crawl space dry. Encapsulation not only prevents current wood rot from getting worse, but it also protects your home from future moisture problems, ensuring a healthy and stable foundation. Now, if you already have wood rot, here are a few ways to replace and reinforce rotten wood. Installing crawl space supports. Adjustable steel jacks can be used to stabilize sagging floors and provide crucial support to the affected areas. Implementing moisture control solutions. Dehumidifiers, vapor barriers, and proper ventilation work together to keep your crawl space dry, and is the only solution in this list that prevents future wood rot. Replacing damaged beams. Woodworking professionals will remove rotted wood and replace it with new, sturdy lumber. This is usually more invasive and expensive, but the problem is that this doesn't address the root of the problem, which caused the wood rot in the first place. Alright, now remember, DIY fixes are rarely sufficient, and trusting the professionals ensures the problem is completely addressed, giving you long-term peace of mind. Don't let wood rot take advantage of your home. Schedule a free inspection with Groundworks today. We'll help you create a dry, healthy, and structurally sound foundation for your home.